Josh Blanc, owner of Clay Squared to Infinity, is always creating new colors, patterns, and sizes in tile and uses his house as an experimental palette. Having started their collaboration in 2014, he knew Hohn Hohn could provide the installations according to industry standards. In 2021, the second of 3 bathrooms was completed. The first challenge for the team was to square everything up, get everything plumb and flat. The team laid out the entire bathroom. The bathroom walls were adjusted by adding furring strips to the studs to make the tile layout work well throughout the bathroom. Even though trim pieces were already made, Josh agreed to remake them to measurements dictated by Hohn Hohn to make sure the installation looked seamless. The ceiling pieces were all numbered to make sure they were installed in the correct orientation. After many hours of preparation, the installation went smoothly. In 2023, everyone came together again for the next bathroom and a new pattern. This time, it was a triangular-shaped tile with a trillium flower in the center. The triangular tiles were relief tiles with a relief right next to the edge of the tile. The team's first comment upon looking at the tile was that it was going to be almost impossible to grout because the grout joints would be at least 3/16 of an inch or more, and the grout would get caught in the relief, making cleanup difficult. Face tape was used on all the tiles to keep the tiles as clean as possible while grouting. Josh wanted all the tile laid out a specific way. As it turned out, some plumbing needed to be moved to make sure things were lined up correctly with the layout. These bathrooms are truly one of a kind that are showpieces for Josh and his tile. Congratulations to Hohn Hohn for their NTCA Five-Star Project of the Year Residential Artistic Achievement of Excellence win for their collaboration and tile project.